tear, echoes of a love that once was near. There's a pain inside